today I'm looking a little not the best, but I'm going to do a slightly different video as well. Today's video is going to be all about my hair. I'm going to be relaxing my hair on camera. What you're going to need, or what I use a white tooth comb. I also have a mixing bowl that I used to mix in my relaxer and put everything together. You're going to also need a hairbrush. Sorry, it has some hair in it. I just used it. And you're going to need a little tail, what's this called, tail comb? A rat tail comb, yes. And then you're going to need some gloves, a little wooden spatula to mix everything together, and of course you're going to need your relaxer. For relaxer, I personally use the Mega Growth relaxer. So I like to use this one. I don't know, I've used a bunch of the relaxers in my lifetime, but this one I find that it actually relaxes my hair really well, and then it doesn't burn, so it's pretty good. And this is what it looks like once you take it out of the box. So I used two. You're just going to squeeze in the content into your mixing bowl like so. So one side is the activator and the other side is the relaxer, okay? So I don't know, just in case anyone hasn't relaxed their hair before, and that's what it looks like. So I'll just put everything in the bowl and I'll show you guys in one sec. So now I just kind of stir everything together using the spatula. So I'm just going to start off by combing my hair. I just like to detangle everything just so that way it's easier when I'm putting the relaxer in my hair. Using my tail comb, I'm just going to make a line right down the middle of my head. Like I said, I'm just going to apply a little bit of some coconut oil to the edge of my head, just so that way once I'm relaxing my hair, it doesn't burn my hairline right here, and it also doesn't burn my ears. So I'm just applying a little bit of Macantoni 100% coconut oil and extra virgin oil lotion. Alright, so I have my mixture ready. I like to start relaxing my hair from the front and I work my way backward. Okay, so I just like to put the relaxer on my edges, and as you can see I section my hair into 3 sections. So I just like to put the relaxer around the perimeter of this little box. Oh, I forgot to wear my gloves. Okay guys, make sure you wear your gloves. After you get the relaxer all over the perimeter or the outer corners of the box, you want to start to section it like this. So that way it really gets into every single corner of the hair. I've pretty much always had relaxed hair ever since I was very young. In my family we had very thick hair. When she would have to style her hair, because obviously you know I have 2 sisters, right? So when she would have to style all of our hairs, it used to take really long, and my mom went through so many hair products, so many combs, because our hair would always break combs, because our hair just used to get so tangled so fast, because it would just basically turn into like dreadlocks because it was so full and so thick. And every day she would detangle and do all that, and then after a while she was just like, this is too much, and then yeah, she relaxed her hair, and ever since then my hair has been relaxed. You know, there was a period of time when everybody was pretty much going natural. It was almost kind of like a trend that everyone was just big chopping their hair and going natural, and I thought about it as well. And I'm not saying, you know, there's anything wrong with being natural, or I'm not, even by doing this, I'm not saying I don't love my natural hair. I do love my natural hair. It's just this process it works better for me. Makes my life a lot easier. Hey guys, so that's this first part done. Alright, so that's one side done, and yeah, I'm just going to continue with the other side. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna wait for like another 5 minutes. Hey guys, so I'm just going to go and wash my hair and use some neutralizing shampoo as well as some other product. And these are the results of priming your hair. You dig? You dig? Okay, thanks for coming back. Alright you guys, so I just got back from washing out the relaxer from my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like so far. It feels really nice and soft because of course I used some conditioner in my hair. I cut my hair recently and it was a little bit longer than this, but now it has already grown back to the same length again, which is perfect. But yeah, so to wash my hair, the shampoo I used after I used the neutralizing shampoo from Mega Growth, I used the Grow Long sulfate free shampoo from Macantini, which looks like this. This shampoo is really good because it has caffeine in it, so that really helps to strengthen the hair, because my hair has been suffering from a lot of breakage, especially since I moved to Canada. My hair has actually been breaking quite a lot and it just gets really like dehydrated because I have dry scalp as well, so I have to constantly make sure my hair is moisturized and basically just maintain it quite a lot. When I was in Nigeria, I never really had any breakage at all, and every other week I would always go and steam my hair and put in some like protein treatments, and that really helped to actually prevent the breakage. But here in Canada, going to the hair salon and doing the treatment, it's really expensive. So I mean, when I can, I do some treatments at home, and I also use the conditioner that it comes with, so both of them together just works really well for my hair. Yeah, and I've been using it for a while now. I absolutely love it, and yeah, so that's what we have. As you can see, the hair is really nice and soft, and yeah, I'm just going to do a little treatment and then blow dry my hair. So I'm using the anti-breakage oil from the same strengthening collection. So this oil it's a little thicker than a regular oil, so if you do get this, try not to use too much. And I'm just going to spray this in my hair, just basically focusing on like the roots of my hair. I'm just going to work that in. Okay, then I'm also going to use the Dr. Miracle anti-breakage strengthening cream. So as you can see, I use a lot of anti-breakage products because, like I said, my hair is can get really dry and it breaks very easily. And just massage that into my scalp. And then I'm just going to use some Argan Natural Leave-In Coconut Seal and Shine. This is just a leave-in conditioner and it adds some shine to the hair as well. I got this at Winners for 10 bucks, so yeah, it makes my hair really soft too. So okay, and I'm just going to brush it out again. And then I'm just going to blow dry my hair with my Conair blow dryer. Okay, so now that my hair is almost dry, I'm just going to add a little bit of my Macantini coconut oil, and this is just going to, of course, seal in the moisture and also add a nice amount of shine to my hair. The reason why I use a lot of Macantini products is because don't use a lot of bad ingredients in their products. What I mean is that, for example, the shampoo and conditioner that I use, they're both sulfate free. So I'm just going to apply this on to my hair. Alright you guys, so my hair is completely dry now and this is what we are looking like. So this is what I did take care of my hair, guys. Those are the products that I use. That's how I relax my hair at home, especially if no one is home to help me. I just do it myself. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it somewhat helpful in case you're thinking about you know, what products to use if you have relaxed hair and what products would work for relaxed hair. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Like I said, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already, and yeah, I'll see you all in my very next video.